Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is JD from Motorcycle Republic, and I'm actually very excited to talk to you guys about this product. The last video I made was the DJI Action for my vlogging camera setup for the helmet. That's what I use. So it's right here. You know, I got this because I am so happy with the first product that I have to buy the second one. This one supports two microphones. You heard it, two microphones like this. So why do I need two microphones? Usually one for the talking head and one for the ambient noise, for the exhaust. I like them noisy. Ang ingay talaga ng motor na to. Ngayon pupunta tayo ngayon sa Royal Moto Club. Magpapa oil change tayo. Meron na tayong 170 kilometers. Paano natin kasi itatry natin ngayon yung ipon oil, so yun yung gagawin natin ngayon. So kaya ano natin, now I'm using the DJI Action 5 Pro using the microphone natin, DJI Mic 2. Dito natin ikinabit. In fairness, dito sa Royal Enfield na matipid ha. Fairness. Matipid sa gasolina. And it is loud as hell. My God. Yan yung gusto ko dito. Ayan, nandito na tayo ngayon sa event ng Ipon, Moto Market, Moto World. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Royal Moto Club. Ayan yung mga ano natin, kailangan natin gawin. What's up, dude? So makikita nyo yung mga ano ng Ipon dito. Yung nakikita nyo. So yun yun. So ito yung mga products nila. So, pinopromote natin. Ipon, tatry natin. Ito yung QJ Moto nila. Ilang cc to?
Ano po, 600 po.
600? Laki yan. Sobrang laki. Kamusta, boss? Let's check this out. What I have here is the Adventure Combo. You know, if you're gonna buy this, buy it at Camera House. Please tell them I sent you. Yung mga friends natin dyan. Shout out to Ate Gay and Sir Rob. Is it? So this comes with So this is the camera, this is the 4. The size wise, it's exactly the same. This one, it's waterproof, 20 meters. It is 146 grams. It still have the quick release. It's the same. This one is OLED display already. The other one is LCD display. The screen of the Action 5 compared to the Action 4 is 0.25 inches bigger. Pixel per inch is still the same, 326 pixel per inch, but the resolution is better than the previous one. The sensor is the same, and 1.3 inches sensor, CMOS. Field of view is the same, 155 degrees, f2.8. The ISO range for this one is 100 to 51,200. It's much better in low light. This can shoot 4K 120.
If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew, my will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung
it has a mode, it's called Super Night. I think it downsamples to 2.7K. This one has subject tracking. That's what I want to try actually is. You know, of course they have hyperlapse and all that. So this one has a better battery life. My God, it's brighter actually. I know the battery lasts around 4 hours. So this one is actually recording right now and I haven't placed any SD cards. This one has 47 gig of internal storage. Just in case you run out of SD cards, you have it. You know, I mean, you can still record. It's cool. When you look at the screen, it's iba talaga pag OLED kumpara mo sa LCD. It's so freaking bright. Liwanag niya sobra. Kahit na may araw, kitang-kita. Pag sa diving to ginamit, nakita ko na when you dip it in the water, it automatically turns on. Galing, no? So I'm just wondering, ito yung big question lagi eh. Naglabas na si GoPro ng action cam niya, di ba? Medyo underwhelming kasi we all know that GoPro is playing catch up with DJI and Insta360. Now, what is Insta360 gonna release? Kasi I heard Ace Pro is coming up or it's gonna be releasing this October. Ace Pro 2. You know, when Ace Pro 2 came out, you know, ang selling point sa akin for me ng Ace Pro is the low light capability in 8K. Pero now, well, we use Ace Pro pero with the weight that it has, it's very heavy in the helmet. Kaya that's the reason why I'm using this, the DJI. Pero we still use the X4. We have a lot of X4s. We have a lot of, you know, Ace Pros. Pag sa helmet lang, yun lang talagang ginagamit ko yung DJI kasi nga it's very lightweight. I don't wanna add more weight to my helmet. Plus, of course, the mic, it's wireless. Diba? It's much easier. Maganda naman yung ano niya. So ngayon, what's gonna happen with Ace Pro? I am very curious on its specs. Hindi naman. Jeff. Bumibili ng sapatos yun. Tumitingin ng sapatos yun. Ayan o, shopping. Action 5 Pro.
Grabe. Kita ko yung force ko.
Tinatry namin yung Action 5. Pwede na dyan dalawang mic. So pwede dito, pwede yung mo.
Grabe.
Ayan.
Tapos next year, Action 6 na naman.
May Ace Pro 2 kalalabas.
Gastos.
Ano bibili mo?
Tingin na ako ng boots ko yan. Meron din pala mga ganitong boots dito.
Meron.
Ang ganda ng tsura nito ah.
Try mo. Tingnan natin kung anong tsura.
Parang ang taas sobra pang motocross eh.
Hindi. Pasok mo sa jeans mo. Tingnan mo lang.
Kung ipasok ko kaya yung sapatos ko sa loob. Ganda na itsura nito.
Ba, buta. For if you want to upgrade your action cameras, put this in part of your top list because one of the things I love about DJI is it's not just the video quality that it gives you, it's the audio quality and the minimalist design and style that it presents. Just because you don't have to pair, it's automatic, so it's much easier to edit for me anyway. It's very durable because I've used a lot of DJI products and most of the DJI products that I've used lasted a while. For me, if you pair this up again with this is still, for me, the best portable action vlogging camera because it's much easier to use. And you can get this at Camera House. So, meron kayong mga kailangan dyan, Camera House. Camera House lang tayo. Thank you guys for watching. And sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, please do subscribe and see you guys in the next video. Peace.